Alright, we are in the kitchen sink line. We're pushed all the way out to where we tie into the main line. This is about 45 feet out from the outside clean out on the back end of the kitchen sink outside, so we're going to be pulling back. So you can see this is all cast iron in this area. We do have some buildup of scale. You can see in this area there is some trenching. As we pull back, we do notice this area looks like it has been replaced, this little section, to ABS pipe. So there is some grease buildup in this area, but this is just a little section that looks like it was replaced. And then as we pull back here, you'll see the transition back from this little ABS portion into the cast iron. And you can see where this trenching starts with the scale buildup. So the pipe is reducing down here, as you can see, because of that scale buildup. So you can see here these roots on the right hand side of your screen. You can see where those are coming in at. On the bottom it looks like there is a crack on the pipe there, also referred to as trench rot. This whole area has root intrusions throughout. If you look on the bottom of your screen there, you will see a crack, a hairline crack. If you look on the left-hand side of your screen, you will see another root intrusion. Crack on the bottom of your screen is still running throughout the bottom of the pipe. You can see where the pipe is a little bit broken in the section there on the bottom of the screen.